Hi friends, let me show you this rolling grilling basket that I received for reviewing purposes. These baskets are aimed to grill or barbecue, well, whatever uh, you want to grill other than meat, of course. You could use them for vegetables, for skewers, for onions, for anything that you want to grill. And with these baskets, vegetables don't be falling down to the grill. So I think it's really nice. They come with all these accessories. Let me tell you. First, you get two baskets, two different sizes, a larger one and a smaller one. They have this kind of closing mechanism. Okay, so vegetables won't fall down to the grilling part. Okay, to the grill or to the charcoal. Okay, you get these gloves. Okay, open them. Here they are. You get this glove, so you are able to get your baskets with your hand, and you won't get burned. Okay, you get these helpers to get vegetables in and out of the grill, and you get also these accessories. So if you want to, well, move them around or hang them in another level of your grill, whatever you think you can use this one will be great. And also you get this, to be spraying to the vegetables oil or lemon or water or whatever you like to put on your vegetables, you can do it with this sprayer. Okay, so we're ready to have a nice barbecue. Let's do it.